Tsomatsi.
All right, so welcome back to No Winning. What you may have seen in the previous video was me and 240G completing the transmission assembly, or putting it all together, however way you want to put it. But now we're kind of ready to prep it so that we can actually put the transmission back in the car and maybe start working to move it forward to actually get this car out of the garage. The last things that we have to do is mount the transmission, put the new transmission mount that I got for it, bolt it all up together, and then we're gonna get to the engine block, put the clutch back in, put the pressure plate back in, and then start prepping the engine to be put back in the car. And then maybe we can start putting all the accessories on it and stop having this car in the garage, because we might have a surprise coming soon. This time it's official because it's already been completed. Yeah, so stay tuned. Let me show you what we got working on over here. All right, I'm gonna make an attempt to try to get this in by myself. I know it's gonna be a little difficult because a lot of the weight's in the back, but I'm gonna hoist it from the front like I did the last time. Let's see if I can get it actually going here without destroying my transmission or my car, or both. Table. Now here comes the hard part, figuring out how I'm gonna get over this hump while I'm in there. So let's figure out how we're gonna do this. Okay. Nope. It's not gonna be possible. I need help. I need a second person. Apply GTI. Let me try that. I'm gonna close the garage, try to go a little bit higher so I won't hit the garage door, and then see about just kind of guiding it in. So let me try that. Might try that off of camera so you don't see me struggle too much. Oh, ooh, I caught a big one. See if I can at least come over here so you can take a screenshot of the big fish I caught. It's a little weird doing this in the dark. Can't really see squat. I'm very close to where I need to be. See if I can let it rest there. Oh shit. Put that there. Okay. Oops. Oops. There we go. Okay. Let it rest there. Yeah, it should be fine. I put cardboard underneath the car. Why? Because I wanted it out of the way. Guess what it ended up being? It ended up being in the way. Good job, Rock. Good job, no winning. Good job. Good, good, good. What's hitting me now? Oh, wow, feed shaft. Good, good, good. Good job. I think it's safe to say I can start to slightly lower this a little bit down in that direction. Oops, 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 oops. Put that hood there. We'll put that hood there. What now? Open the garage because it's hot. Okay, update. Gotten it pretty far in. I'm gonna use the jack, which is down here, if you can see it. Use the jack down here to kind of pick it up and kind of slide it out. So let me get back underneath there and figure out what part I need to jack up. All right, well, I got the transmission kind of back in its somewhat near home as best as I possibly could by myself, by the way. I used this engine hoist and a jack, and it worked out pretty good. I had to kind of do a little bit back and forth, but it didn't take me too long. I think I'm gonna cut the video right here because what I'm gonna do in the next video, so make sure you, first of all, stay tuned. I'm gonna put on a Group Type N transmission mount, put all the mounts back on, put the drive shaft back on, put the CV shafts back on, and then probably call that another video. And then after that, let me flip the camera around. After that, we can get to actually assembling some of the other goodies that I have in this area. Situate the clutch fork, the clutch pin, the little locker, so that we can, set that situated. And then maybe work on getting the engine prepped and to be put in here. So, so far so good. Like I said, it's still sitting by the jack right there. That's kind of the only way I've gotten it more or less to where I need it to be. But once I get the cross members installed, I should have a little bit more stability. So we made it this far. Thanks for watching me struggle. For you, it might have been 10 minutes. For me, maybe an hour or two. But we're making progress. We're finally moving forward. And I foresee this getting additional progress in the near future. So stay tuned. See you next time.